Want to create a group chat where you can chat with your friends all together on Messenger? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to make a group chat on Messenger. First, open Messenger. Then, tap on the pencil icon at the top right. Then, tap on Group Chat. Now you can search the person's name that you want to include in the group chat by tapping on the search option. Then, after you're done selecting the people that you want to add, you can tap on Create at the top right. You can also name the group by tapping on the group name. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.